Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to allow camera access on Messenger on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll up and click on search bar. And here we must enter Messenger. Click here, and after that you must turn on this setting near camera. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.